Hello, it's Yang here. You are here because you want to know how to create creamy blonde without brassiness. Click and download the free guide. So here's what I want you to do next. Take your time and go through with the guide carefully. Read it every step and really try to understand what's happening. As you read, you might feel a little bit like overwhelmed or you feel a little bit confused. And that's completely normal because most hairstylists was never taught this properly. Let me explain in a simple way. It's like learning the alphabet. If I give you all the letters, but you don't know how to put them together, you still don't know how to form words. And that's exactly what this free guide is. It gives you the map, but not yet the full application. So if you are someone who's thinking, I understand this, but I don't fully know how to do it on real client, then you do the step number 2. That's where I show you exactly how I apply this system on the real clients step by step. So you can see it, you follow it, and feel more confidence when you do it yourself. But I also want to be honest with you. Even when you learn something new, when you start applying it, you will have questions. I know it because I have been there. I used to buy a lot courses, learn the technique, but when I actually did it, I got stuck. And then I had to spend so much time researching, watching more YouTube video, guessing and figured out things out on my own. It was frustrating and it slowed me down so much. And I don't want that for you. That's why I create step number 3 here. So if you don't want to wasting time or feel stuck and overwhelmed, you can join the membership so you can apply the system. You can ask your question and I guide you step by step so you don't get result, so you get result faster with more confidence. Because at the end of the day, when you can create clean, creamy results, your client trusts you more. They stop complaining. They come back, they refer others, and they are happily to pay more. So right now, you have 3 steps in the front of you. Start with the step number 1, download the free guide. Then move to step number 2, watch the training. And if you want support, take the step number 3, join the community. My goals is simple, to help every hairstylist like you become more confident, get better result, and build a business you are proud of. So I see you inside.